up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Kludge RK84 limited edition wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. I absolutely love the size of this keyboard, 75%, and it's a TKL. You can see that there. I love the limited edition keys right here, the brown and beige. It's not to everyone's taste, but I like it. And it's wireless, completely wireless, with the 2.4 gigahertz dongle right here. You can actually plug that right in the USB. It also has the Bluetooth connectivity, as well as USB-C connection to connect up to the keyboard. You can use that as well. And you also get 2 additional USB 2 ports, which is interesting as well. I like that. So let's do a quick unboxing, and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Kludge RK84 Special Edition Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Let's take a look inside the box. Okay, we have the user manual and the keyboard. Very nice. We'll put this on the side and see what else is inside the box. Okay. All right. Okay, we have a keycap remover. USB-C to A cable. Some spare switches. Oh, these are the yellow switches. Interesting. We've got 4 of the switches right here. And then this is the mounts, the foot for the keyboard. Looks like it's got the magnetic connector there. Very nice. All right, let's take a look at the keyboard. All right, here's the keyboard. I like the compact size, and I love the color-coded keys here. Special edition with the gray and the brown. It reminds me of the Noctua kind of color, right? Let's take a look at the top right here. We have 2 USB ports right here for additional devices, and the USB-C connector, which then plugs to your computer or laptop using the included cable. Also, there's the USB dongle for the 2.4 gigahertz wireless. I like that. You can put that there and store it safely. There's the on-off switch for the keyboard, and the Bluetooth connector switch. Would you switch that on as well? So dual connectivity. I like that very much. It's thinner than the other one I had before, so I like the contouring and the styling on this. So let's take a look at the key on these, the keys, or the keycap remover, and take a look. Okay, as you can see, there's a yellow switch, which the first time I've seen actually the yellow switch. I normally see the red, the brown switches. This one's yellow, so that's interesting. It hasn't got any clicks. It's very smooth, silent operation there. Good actuation. So yeah, this should work quite nice. So let's see if I can put this on and see if there's any RGB. There you go. Got some nice RGB too. I wasn't expecting that, but very nice. It comes with some nice RGB as well. Again, you can use the software from Kludge to program the macros, as well as arrange all the RGB colors. This is something I really like about this keyboard. Yeah, Bluetooth or 2.4 gigahertz wireless, and using the USB cable as well. So here you go. That was a quick unboxing of the Kludge RK84 wireless mechanical special edition gaming keyboard. And there you have it. That was a quick unboxing of the Kludge RK84 limited edition wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.